akwatidde NRM bendera ku kifo ky'obwa pulezidenti mu kalulu akajja. Yoweri Kaguta Museveni atandise okuwenja akalulu mu bendobendo lya Acholi ng'olwaleero asibye mu disitulikiti y'e Nwoya ne Omoro. Olukuŋŋaana olusoose Museveni alukubye ku kisaawe ky'essomero li Anaka Primary School mu Nwoya. Abakulembeze mu kitundu kino bamulopedde ekizibu ky'enjovu ezitoloka mu kkuumiro ly'ebisolo erya Maxon Falls ne ziyonoona ebintu by'abatuuze kwosa n'okutta abantu.
Of problem animals, especially the elephants, that is destroying our crops, killing the communities and causing many destructions. We believe you should help us with this because it's a big impediment to development.
Bano era bamujjukizza ensonga z'abantu baabwe abafiira mu lutalo lwa Kkoni wabula nga ne gye buli eno tebaliyirirwanga. Mu kwogera kwe Museveni abeena abagumizza nga bw'agenda okukwatagana ne Ssaabaminisita okulaba ng'ensonga yaabwe ekolebwako.
They were proposing that also the genuine compensation people who are confirmed should also be handled in addition to the a beach per gang. I've written to the Prime Minister because me, I'm busy moving around.
Acholi don't worry about the Prime Minister
to take up the matter, to conclude and plan.
Museveni era asuubiza ng'essira bw'agenda okuliteeka mu kutumbula eby'enkulaakulana era wano alagidde abakulembeze b'eno okwekolamu SACCO mwe bagenda okuyita okukulaakulanya abantu.
We are saying wealth creation is not like football. Football, you have got players and spectators. Me, ordinary man, the priest, the sheikh, the culture leader, all of us must be rutuko.
N'abagoba ba bodaboda mu kitundu kino nabo si baakulekebwa bbali.
I have funds for bodabodas. I had my bodabodas who escorted me here. We shall be having
Chente padul me boda ana chike boda mago bulwagatin mukela kan
per zone or per district. We shall see which is easier for the ghetto groups.
Kidong joman magibero kabero mano popora total erono gicheka kwobe,
so that everybody gets involved.
Just like in any other district, we are focusing at wealth creation in houses. We are focusing at free education. I'm sure you heard when the president spoke about the free education, everybody was up in appreciation. We are speaking about improvement of healthcare system. We are talking about improving road networks in the district.
Some of us grew up in IDP camp. And if right now I can speak that I'm a member of parliament, it has been because of the nurture, the empowerment that he has given to us.
Museveni olunaku lw'enkya wakubeera mu disitulikiti y'e Lamu n'eggulu.